In this World of Warcraft Wrath of the Lich King tutorial, I will show you how to get from Darnassus all the way to Stormwind. So I'm located right here in Teldrassil, in Darnassus, and you'll have to get under these roots, which you'll find right here, and you'll be teleported on the shore. And on the shore, you'll have to get to this dock, and a boat will arrive in like 2 or 3 minutes, and you will have to take it to the Darkshore. Also, if the boat is not here, sometimes the Griffon Master will work, not all the times, and you can check it. You never know if that works, and you don't have to wait for the boat. So let's speak with him. Okay, and this works. So take either the boat or take either this Griffon Master to the Darkshore, and you'll arrive in the exact location. I will get back to you once I will get to the Darkshore. Alright, and I just arrived in Darkshore. Let's move now to the dock, and I saw the boat just left, so we'll have to wait for the next one. So we'll have to get here and turn left, and we just arrived in Darkshore right here. If I have took the boat, alright, that's the boat which could bring me here, so we have to turn left right here, and let's see if we can catch this boat. Can we catch this boat? Please don't leave. Okay, it's ours. And you will have to get right here. So it's a cross dock. Turn left, and you'll have to get here. The boat you see right there, which we live right now, that's the boat which will take you to the Darnassus, and that boat, which will also live at the exact same time, will take you to Azermist Islands. So, and this yellow boat will take you to Stormwind City. So I'll get back to you once I will arrive in Stormwind City. Alright, this is how to arrive from Darnassus all the way to Stormwind City. So I'm located right now in Stormwind City, right here in Elwyn Forest, and we started our journey from Teldrassil, right here in the north, from Darnassus. So that's how to get from Darnassus to Stormwind in World of Warcraft Wrath of the Lich King, or also known as WoTLK. Thank you a lot for watching, and bye bye.